Is it necessary to study the basics of drawing even if I already have experience in animation?
Yeah, drawing first because, like I said, how you create any good pose, right? Key poses for character if you cannot draw well, you can. And how you can work from that pose to another pose, because you have to keep shape, right? Volume, right? Proportions, everything, everything. If you cannot do this, your animation can work anyway. Because I would say like this, for good animation, sometimes vitally important even, move like a half a line. Can you imagine like a half a line for emotional feelings? Not like always, like, no, of course not, right? It's like this, what? You see? That's, you have to draw that. Not like, what? Of course you can do, this is broad animation, but I would say the top level of animation, like, of course it's subtle. And if you can do both, broad and subtle, that's when you became a professional, when you can do work with both. And again, it's how it's called like this. You learn the rope, right? You learn the rope of this art, and after that, you decided what kind of animation you want to do. Somebody even go to 3D, whatever. Because to me, and I see, I have lots of students who is actually 3D animators, not like 2D or 3D. If they're not artists, right? They just created poses, but they don't see is a good one or not good one. They don't feel it. But you have to be an artist. Movie is art, whatever, 3D or 2D, you have to be an artist. You have to feel it. You have to see this. Nice or it's not nice. It's broken or it's, it's compact, it's fluid, or whatever. That's a very important point. Up to you. The answer is very simple. How hard you will work on that. Let's say for good drawing, right, in draftsman way, like to feel it, right, you have to draw at least 100 drawings a day, but not just like a meh, like this, right? No, because try to analyze what you do. Try to analyze. I can create any drawings from any lines because it's already there. This white, right? White, everything. But I see what I will draw. I understand what I will draw. I see there. I'm not jump from myself to this paper or to the surface. I try to pull out, from the surface. This happens when you draw a lot.